I've got a challenge for you. Could you live on £118 a week? Because if you get sick and you're off work, that's all that statutory sick pay is going to give you. So most people insure their houses, their cars, their phones, but not their income, the thing that literally pays for everything else. And that's where income protection insurance comes in. It's there to replace a chunk of your income, often 50 or 60%, and that's if you can't work due to illness or injury. Now, the price you pay for your income protection insurance depends on a number of factors, but one of the biggest ones is a thing we call the deferred period. And this is basically how long you have to wait from the time that you get ill and stop working to the time when the policy kicks in and starts paying out. Now, a 3-month deferred period is really common because it keeps the price down to a sensible level. And quite often people have either got a bit of savings, they might have some additional sick pay from their employer, or they can bridge the gap another way. But you can choose a shorter deferred period. 1 week, 2 weeks, a month. If you don't have savings and your employer doesn't offer a lot of support, then yes, it costs a bit extra to shorten the deferred period, but it could well be worth it. And here's the bit we really need to talk about. Income protection isn't just for homeowners. If you're a renter or a tenant, it can be even more important. Because when you're renting, if your income stops, your landlord's not going to pause your rent just because you're ill. With a mortgage, you could potentially get a payment holiday or switch over to interest only. When you're renting, there's no grace periods, no payment holidays. And if you fall behind on your rent, well, the consequences are a lot more immediate. And as we said at the beginning of the video, statutory sick pay is a maximum of £118 a week. That's certainly not going to cover your rent anywhere in the UK. Not even close. So whether you're renting or paying a mortgage doesn't really matter. If you rely on your income, as most of us do, then income protection is probably one of the strongest safety nets you can put in place. And if you want to know what it would cost for you to get protected, then my links are in the bio. Drop me a message. There's no jargon, no pressure, just proper advice. I'm Patrick Wakeman, your local East Midlands mortgage and protection advisor. I serve clients up and down the UK. Links are in the bio. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.